There we go, boys and girls. YouTube.com/live dashboard. New. Hi, NH. How you doing? Are you doing good? I hope you are. Sounds like a stripper stream. At everyone, let's just tag everyone because why not? Streaming at https:// youtube.com/bditt/live. If you want to see me make some functions for aspect. Yeah, I'll use aspect external as my thing so people can't just swipe or sniper. Watch me. Next good thing fucking on the where did it go wrong? Alright. Never late. I'm scared. Hey, what game? Hello, Recano. Hello, Listen. Hello, Midnight. Hello, Jujar. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. So yeah. If you guys are interested, I am currently in... hold on. Let me just hop into the stream Discord. There we go. I jumped into the stream voice chat in my Discord if you guys are interested. That way you guys can listen to me live. So all you have to do is join the Discord, which is in the description. So yeah, if you guys just join the voice chat, the streaming voice chat, you guys can hear me live, whatever you want to do. It does exist. Shush. Anyway, so first thing on the agenda now is TriggerBot. So what we're going to want to do is go to my cheat things and do void start trigger bot, and then we're just gonna go ahead and do this, and then we're just gonna want to loop it because it's gonna be its own thread that just runs in the background. So we just kind of want it to continue working. We're just gonna add a try catch block here because, you know, not that it's gonna catch anything, like not that it really matters. Error trigger TB error number 1 e dot what and L. Cool. Yo, I remember you from last year when you was cheating on Fortnite. Yeah, it has been a while now. I haven't cheated on Fortnite in a long time on stream. I do cheat on Fortnite sometimes, but so yeah. Organize your classes. Listen, my classes are a lot better organized inside Aspect Internal. Okay, how you doing? How you doing? I'm just gonna try catch everything. Okay. Don't worry about it. Because my classes are a lot. Well, I'll send Alexi. I'll send you my my source, but you're not gonna be happy. Actually, you guys want to take a look at Aspect Internal source real quick? Let's just show the classes real quick. Let's just do a little class suggestion real quick. Let's just take a real quick look. So we go over here. just get off my screen? Okay. So this is my class structures. So here's my function wrapper. We have obviously all the vector types: vector 2, vector 3, and vector 3x. This is the first constructor that I did, just because why not? Vector 4. When I try to, this was for my camera classes, or because camera has, up, down, blah, 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 fourth dimension. And then we have the vector 3 class, which I just took from somebody online because, yeah, and my dog's crying in the background. So here we go. So this was created using reclass, obviously. Nerd doing coding. Remember Project Elitist? Yes, I do remember Project Elitist. What a good time that was. So for the body, we have the get position function, because getting the position was being a pain, and when I tried to just put a pointer to it, it wasn't working. So I had to make a function for it, sadly. And yeah, so I did the same for get position, get velocity, and then to get the body is comes off the primitive offset, or the primitive class, and then we just run that, because this right here does not work. For some odd reason, it doesn't work. So I have to use RBX, or I have to use the get body function, which just returns a reinterpreted cast of the offset, and which leads to the body. The body's up here, as you just saw, so which is how I get position and stuff like that. So then we made a simple instance, because some things just I don't know what to. What game was I playing? I was playing Roblox. So yeah, so this is the RBX instance class. I just put this class to anything that I don't really know how to put it into. So for example, if it's a head, if it's the head object, or if it's just a normal part instance, I will put it into an RBX instance, because that's what it really is. So then we got the self class, or the self pointer, which just points back to itself, obviously. The class descriptor is part of the class descriptor class, which is how you can get your stuff. The character for name, obviously, if you want to get the name. And then this is the pointer for the children, so you could just loop through all the children. And then I added some more my own functions, like find first child. Pretty simple, I was trying to throw, but because if anybody has a suggestion, if it doesn't find the child, I don't think it returns anything, and that causes an error. And that's why a lot of the crashes are happening, so I need to kind of fix that. So yeah. So if it doesn't return anything, I don't know. I need to figure something out about that. But same thing for find first child. Then you can get the primitive offset off of it. Get current health. I forgot to update the offset for this week, or the decryption for it. So yeah, and then we get the class descriptor, which I only know the class name of currently. Service start, service end, self, class descriptor, children, blah blah blah. It's basically the same for the rest of these. So yeah, I basically did the same thing, except for some of these, like the player class has the character offset, or players have the local player offset, and like the team ID, the user ID, and such stupid things, the walk speed pointer, the health pointer, the max health pointer, blah 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 blah. So yeah, just return 0. I don't think I can do that for a class. I honestly didn't try. Let's see. Just return 0. Are you kidding me? That actually works. But when I tried to return null, it was like, nah ho. But apparently it works now, so you know what? In MISC at bhops, which makes you spam spacebar a million times. Honestly, I'm about that. Yeah, I know it's but for earlier it just wasn't letting me do it. So I guess we might as well just throw it in here, because I'll do it later I'll do it later. Yikes, use null pointer. I don't want to. I don't want to. Stop bullying me. Yeah, I know. This is why I shouldn't code. Somebody else should just take this project and leave with it. Anyway, so gonna work on this. So we're going to do the trigger bot, and then we're just globals rbx dot trigger bot. There we go. We're making a trigger. We'll have to make a trigger bot function here, and then here we're gonna also have to make a void start trigger bot. Also, if anybody's watching this and uses aspect external, I left telemover inside of external, but I don't know if anybody notices that. Bro, you've been coding for like 3 years, and man, no, I know 0 is null, but what I was trying to say is that it wasn't letting me use it. It was just it was just erroring for no good reason. So yeah. All right, look at all this. Look at all these offset things I have right here. Like, it's so cancer. Oh, it hurts. It hurts so much. All right. Yeah, I tried this wall hack, but it just didn't work. Just wasn't working. I'll rip. Anyway, void. Honestly, yeah, why not? I probably shouldn't make it a void, but it's too late now. I already wrote void. Trigger bot. It's gonna be the same thing as aimbot, and then we're just gonna std vector uint pointer underscore d players equals rbx get children players. Why? What do I have to hold on? I hate this. No, but it should work properly. It literally works up here. What? Now I'm even more confused. Oh, because okay, I see why. Uint pointer score d players list equals rbx players. There we go. We just shove this in here. Why not? Use snake case. Stop it. No. I know I should, but I'm not going to. No, I can't. I can't. I've been typing like this for so long, I can't help it. Okay, leave me alone. For auto players use helium next stream. You know how expensive helium is, and you know how poor I am. I am very poor, and yeah. Speaking of being poor, here you guys go. I'm gonna give you an ad. So, let's see. So basically from here. Yeah, no. Alexi says, now I'm worried. You really should be worried. Oh, that's funny. So what we're going to do, oops. I'm meant to switch back to this. So, yeah. What was I doing? Oh, I'm writing this out. So I need to go ahead and loop through each player. And then I probably need to just check their distance from me. Let's see. I guess I could just, I don't know. First we should check if they are the same as me. So player. Oh yeah, player. Get if get team ID of player equals get team. Actually, we won't want to do not team. No, I was thinking not distance, but when I say distance, I meant distance from the middle of your screen, from your crosshair. Local player, or we'll probably have to do something like trigger bot team check. We'll have to define this later. It's fine. It's only 150. Imagine if I had 150 to spend right now. I would definitely not be spending it on helium. Just saying. bditt tries to catfish using helium. Ban the mod. Ban him. I use ad block. Big sets. Why don't you use array from the mouse? Because ray casting for Roblox is very hard. So and I'm trying to stay away from using Lua, or Lua C, because I want this to mainly be purely like just memory and that type of stuff. So yeah. Nice. Is the exploit paid? This is the free version that we're working on right now to test. There is a paid version you can get for $250, which is a lot better and gets developed more, and it isn't used as a testing subject. So first we check the teams from there, and then we just kind of need a wait. Oh, we also need to check first before anything if player does not equal local player. That way, just in case our own character goes inside of us somehow. I don't know, because that's obviously a possibility. See, the problem with this is this would, again, yeah, stability. I know how to fix stability now. I think I know how to fix a lot of the stability issues. I was doing some testing earlier, and I think I fixed a lot of it. No, Jujahar, we can't. We don't have full Lua execution, nor am I working with Lua. Let's see, what language do you code? A bunch. I mainly do C++ now, as you can obviously tell why. You can support bditt for only $250, so we can buy cup noodles. Bro, I don't know about you guys, but I like my ramen noodles a little bit on the raw side. Meaning I just open the package and just take a bite out of the chunk of ramen noodles. So, yeah. It depends. I use Synapse, I use Elysian, I use Sentinel. I'll sometimes use Proto Smasher. I don't like this stream anymore. Anyway, uint pointer underscore t character equals get character player, and then uint pointer underscore t. Let's see. Jujuhar, I don't know where you found that, but I would have to take a deeper look into this. You make the code look so simple with all the functions, lol. Yeah, but the amount of time it took me to build a base for me to get all these functions to like look cleaner Took me so long to write. Big sads. But that moment, too lazy to learn. Wish I had Elysian. I'd use Proto if I could use my CPN. You mean VPN? Gotcha. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is, why don't we do this? You if trigger bot aim point equals 0, we're gonna use 0 for the head, just because we're lazy right now. We'll add a drop down for that later or something. Like this. Just finish this off like that. And then we're gonna bam. Something like this. And then we're just gonna check their head. Enemy E head equals we should also label this E character. And then from here we can just go and do get first child. Oh, it's find first child. Find first child, and then we're just gonna go ahead and find. So we'll put the E character in here, and then we're gonna throw head in here. If E head is greater than 0. Actually no. Is less than or equal to 0. Return just, you know. I guess no, this seems wrong. Yeah, and then we'll just throw everything else inside the head function. Because this seems smart. Seems just like a great idea. Get distance. Wait, what is the function for? Oh, it's distance 2. So I just throw a vector in here, so it's so I also need to get my head. So let's see. Get position. Get player position. And then we do E head. And then we throw in from their head to. Wait, no, why am I doing this? No, this is wrong. I need a world to screen them first. I am not being very smart. Okay. Stop it. Okay. Stop. I'm not thinking, okay? So we need to check the middle of the screen, and how do I do that again? Yeah, I think yeah, what's the function? So I need a world to screen these hoes. So let's make a vector d3 dx vector to d3 dx vector to screen pause 1. That is where we will store the screen position, and then we will go like this. If world to screen, we will just plug in, you know, the get player position, and this will be the E head, screen pose 1, and then we're just going to throw in the get matrix. Wait, is that correct? I can't remember my function. Is it? Maybe. Let's see. I know I set the matrix somewhere in here. yeah, set view matrix. Okay, let's see. Yeah, here it is. Kick color. View projects the matrix. Then from here, basically all we need to do is do float distance between cross. Distance float distance equals distance between cross. Screen pose 1.x comma screen pose 1.y. That way we can just get the distance between these. Oh, excuse me. Elysian gang, 100%. bditt, I need to buy bditt.com. I can't donate through Streamlabs. Yeah, I think my Streamlabs is broken again. Let me check. But if you are interested, you can send some money. Just send me that money, you know. If distance is less than or equal to, let's just say, let's use the same as our aim FOV. Let's use the same FOV for this. Then should I? I don't know. I guess, you know, we could just use mouse event. Mouse event, F underscore absolute. Wait, no. What's the click event? I forget. What is the click event? I forget. Oh, wait, no, it's just event. Oops. And then we just do one. Oh, XO01. Screen pose 1.x comma screen pose 1.y. Should also probably do something to check if can I have internal, since I really like external because of minimal FPS drop, smooth ESP, and nice. Guess I'll skip bditt. When will you buy bditt.com? Probably never. Probably should, but meh. It sounds gross. Meh. Let's see. And then from here we just oops. Just throw null in there for now. So now we just need to go and define these, but let's just assume this works. Also, anti-AFK. There we go. Anti-AFK. So let's go ahead and define triggerbot team check, triggerbot aim point. We also probably should add if triggerbot enabled into here. If globals rbx.triggerbot enabled. There we go. Bool trigger bot enabled equals true. Bool trigger bot team check equals true. Int trigger bot. I forgot what it was called. Aim point. Aim point equals 0. Aspect Networks. Wait, what's your website for Gameball called? It's aspectnetwork.net. Or is it? Or is it .com? Yeah, it's aspectnetwork.net. I can never remember anymore. Anyway, this should work. Let's just go to the GUI now. Render.cpp testing. Let's just add a new GUI checkbox, and then this will be called checkbox. Trigger bot enabled. Sure. Let me just do and globals rbx dot trigger bot enabled. Yay. What am I doing right now? I'm working on testing features for Aspect Internal. Who's here testing with me? No clue. But we're gonna use them as a testing piece. So enemy state equals this. Also, my check. It would seem it's not working. It would see. Oh, you know why it wouldn't work? Because if you don't write the thread, if you don't start the thread, it will never work. Create thread 0,0, LP thread underscore start routine. And from here we will just do cheat start trigger button, 0,0,0, and that, bam, there we go. Yeah, so apparently also it failed. Trigger bot enabled. There we go. Hush. Because I don't want to. Okay. Okay, for some reason it's not checking if Roblox is the #1 window or something. I don't fucking know. But whatever. Okay, what the hell? The heck? What? What are you doing to me? What? What? We don't use selling anymore, by the way, Midnight. We use Shopee. I am very confused about what just happened. Yo, Liddy, everybody, if I had the chance. Thank you, William, for the thoughts, at least. Can T-Gen can you show the new one? Can you send what? Oh, I should probably also write. I should probably rate it so we can know when the trigger bot's actually triggering and if it's just not actually triggering or not. So let's see. Clicking. We're just gonna make sure to print that it clicked. Click. And then from here, let's just print out the distance. So distance. That way we just know what the distance here is. So that way we're all good. We're all Gucci. Oh, my mouse disappeared. Mouse, please come back. Thank you. Okay, stay still. I can't shoot. I can't test if you're moving around. Yeah. Did you just go under the map? Now I'm very confused on what's happening right now. Not gonna lie, highly confused. Can I send the new one? Yeah, there you go. Midnight linked it. Hey guys, would you cheat if you had the chance? Cheat what? Like in game? Or on a girl? See, if it's on a girl, I would never. I mean, you know what I mean? Like, just break up. Oh, I got a good old error. What? Wait, what? What is even happening? Oh wait, I wonder if it has to do with my camera, the way I did the camera thing. No? I wonder if it has to do with something that, like, with me setting my camera. Wait, what? What? I was dead, but I could still shoot? I'm even more confused now. Oh, also, I probably should set the camera type before I set my camera subject. I'm pretty stupid in that regards. Deploy. Where'd he go? Where'd my mans go? I forgot the command to see. Hey, get back on the map. What? Oh my god. What is happening? Okay, my mouse not working. Mouse.exe not working, guys. Okay, so this completely breaks it. 100% breaks the I must say. It's not liking what's happening here. Even with this, looking at him like that, we only get the value of 2. So he's like 250 pixels away. So this to this, and then we'll throw this here. Yeah, but I can't tell if he's using a script or something that like messes me up. Or if it's just messing up. Okay, so it stopped and clicked for a second. Can't tell why. Is this the aimbot messing up? I think it might be the aimbot messing up. Hold on. Can I get the overlay to show, please? Aimbot, turn off. Aimbot, turn off. Aimbot.exe, please. There we go. Okay, so it was the aimbot that was messing up for some odd reason. Okay, my mouse is not working again. Yay. Okay. Okay, so what I've learned is that it just moves the mouse and it just drags it off my screen, and then I can't. It's the end of the map again. Yeah, I'm on a private server right now. Yeah, I think you're not wrong. And I'm gonna go check the code for that. C++, click mouse. I did this earlier. Yeah, you could just send input it, but I don't know. I'm trying to pay, but I don't know what to do next after Discord ID. You put your Discord ID in, and then you click pay. Is it just this? Hold up. Let me just, you know what? I'm just gonna copy paste and see if. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry about that. I did not mean to burp. Yeah. There, it's just 2 arrows. Then click the arrow to go over to the next page. Okay, so we know distance is proper. Now we just need to see the print. Because distance is. Getting way too far in. Oh, baby. I don't know what you're doing for me lately. Doing for me lately. Okay, where's my dude? Where'd he go? It's a good thing the overlay is not working. Why did the pass-through stop working? I'm pretty sure I turned aimbot off, so... Oh, no, aimbot's on, so... Let's turn that off. Bam. Bam, bam. We have to look at the head. Oops. I killed him. Guys, I killed him. It was an accident. I didn't mean it. It was an accident. I didn't mean it. I don't know what I'm doing. I thought this was the method to click. It was when I originally wrote the aimbot. Oh, I did this, go to definition. Okay. Yeah, this is what I use for the auto click. Bam. Bam, da, bam. Bam, da, bam. Let's try this instead then. Let's try this instead because, yeah. What is the command to change teams? Okay, so what? We're in here, so we just do /team/G. Server at a single. Nice, nice. Absolutely riggedy wrecked, mate. Absolutely riggedy wrecked, mate. That's pretty cool. That's absolutely crazy. You know, in this 1 hour, we haven't even gotten anything done. Isn't that great? The 1 hour I've been streaming, I haven't gotten anything done. This is what it is like to code as me. Just a bunch of trial and error bullshit. Where is he at? Where is the enemy? Enemy. Enemy. Come to me, please. Ay, 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 ay. Congratulations on purchasing. If you DM me on Discord with your key, I will check it later, and then we can give you your roll. Okay. Okay, where's this dude at? Where is he? Excuse me. Come on, come on. There you are, there you are. Okay. What happened to your arms? God dang him, did you put your arms inside out again? You silly goose. You silly goose. Haha! We did it. So if I'm not mistaken, I don't know where he is. So he's over here in this direction. It works! I mean, just not very great. Yeah, no, I'm going to, Jujar. I just wanted to make sure this works. I'm not going to leave it like this. It was just a theory that I was writing up. Wasn't even sure if it was going to work. But it should. Even though, I mean, it's partially working, partially isn't. Hold up. TTTTT. No, we don't want TTTs. We don't want this. Guys, can you stop? Guys, save me. Save me, please. Okay. He died. Great. Great. Of course he would just go off and die. Useless. Where'd he go? Come back here. Okay, what we need to do first. Please don't step in front of me. Here we go. We can take a look at that right now, actually. Let's open up IDA and take a look, I guess. And see if that is accurate. Get Ray Hit. How did you find Get Ray Hit by chance? What does Aspect do? It helps you aim train. We're gonna call it aim training. Because it improves your aim in games and allows you to see enemies through walls with superhuman abilities. Find part on Ray. Yeah, whenever I try to decompile find part on Ray, it doesn't give me anything. Like, it's just it doesn't even give me an XREF. Unless it fixed itself, but... Open. Open, open, open. If I donate an extra $1, will you donate now? What would I donate to? What? I'm a little confused. What would I be donating to? What will I send? What are you asking me to send right now? Let's just take a look at this. Find part on Ray. Oh, I did find it. That's pretty cool. I'm assuming you're talking about this one? You're talking about this function? I'm assuming this is the function you're talking about. Yeah, because the offsets are the same. 20E3 EL. Yeah. This is what I get, and I don't know what the arguments are. Let's see. Let's go to Roblox get Ray hit. Find part on array. Here we go. Find part on array. Let's just parameters. So it would be the ray. The parameters are the ray. Roblox, you can, once you've purchased, you should check your email and you'll get a key. And then for the key, you can just go to aspectnetwork.com or .net/aspect/register.php. You will be able to get there. Meme Lord, if you are actually interested in the Aspect source code, you can purchase it right now for only $200. Only. Yeah, but I don't know the ignore type structure. Also, those arguments don't fit these arguments here. Although it could be said that these three right here, so I'm assuming this is the ray instance, so let's just assume this is the ray pointer. We're just gonna assume that's the ray pointer for now. And these right here might be the ignore list. I don't know. Or yeah, this would have to be the ignore instances. Either that or these are all the rays. All this is the ray, and then this is the ignore pointer, and then this is the booleans. Here, I'll link it in chat real quick. /aspect/register.php. You can go here. Once you go to your, so you can go to the website to register your key. Fill out your key here. So just say, or go fill in my key. We'll make my username be like super beat it. And then if I want my password to be like super beat it, cool man 32. And then just click create account. It will tell you the link to go download. And once you've downloaded, you can just go ahead and inject. And yeah. Ignore type is, yeah, I figured it was the instance when I was looking at, I realized that when I was looking at the, this right here, because it's a type of just instance, which is just another pointer. Ray though, what's the tuplet for ray? So it's just, so we're just going to assume ray's a, can we just assume ray's a vector 3 along with a pointer? So it would be ray pointer, vector 3, 1, vector 2, vector, this would be X, Y, and Z. And then this would be ignore types. And then the booleans here. I'm very curious to where you found this. What, I'm assuming you found this in the source code? Which header file and stuff? So I'll have to take a look at it later. If you don't mind joining the Discord and then, okay, so it's in workspace.cpp. Understood. I'm going to take a look at that real quick. Just real quick while we're here. I haven't actually taken a look at the source code for this, really. You can also hook the function in Roblox Studio to find the offset for Roblox Ray. I know how to find the offset for, like, the offset you just sent me. I know how to find it. Though I've never done lean. Yeah, so. Find part on Ray. How about we take a look in Ghidra then? We'll take a look in what Ghidra gives us, because Ghidra might give us a different output for what this is. So we're just gonna go take a look at Ghidra real quick. And we will figure out what we need to do. Yeah, I know there's no men check in Studio, but I don't know. I could mess around in Studio for a little bit and just figure out things, but it sounds kind of like a pain. Public build 9.0. Ghidra, Ghidra. Let's see. Let us see. We don't need this. What we need to open is this. Bloinga, 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 bloinga. Oike, oike. And from here, we're just gonna jump, because we will just jump here. Actually, let's find it through Ghidra, because find strings. Find part on Ray. Find part on Ray, and this gets a reference here, and then we get let's see. Okay, so we got, yeah, this to this, and then this is the function. Let's take a look at the decompiled function. Yeah, so we get, all right. Yeah, but we end up with 8 parameters here as well. Let me see. See, here we come up with 7. We get 7 here. We get 8 here. Even more interesting. The keybind for the menu is insert. But if we take a look at this, oops. Can I not go backwards? Oh, I can't. Yeah. So for here, if we were to take a look at this, I don't know what this is. But I believe this is a function caller. But I'm not sure why. I believe this calls like another function within a thread or something. I don't really know how it works. I'll probably look into it, but I'm too lazy to look. Oh man, I'm a little tired. Re, do, mi, re. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That adds the function to the Lua environment. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, this is the, I know what you're talking about now. This is the definition of, where is it? Yeah, it's the prop descriptor thingy. Whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I know what you're talking about now. It's the binding. Understood. Yeah, bound. It's the binding function. So technically, I wonder if you could just, if you hook the binding function, you probably could get every single function that gets bound. That's kind of silly. That's kind of silly. You just hook the bind function, and then you hook the second parameter, which is the, yeah, you'd have to inject, like, you'd probably have to do the, like, I know they do it for, like, the PUBG and, like, Fortnite, if you have to, you know what I'm talking about. Where it loads the cheat before the game actually loads. So, a better way is to scan memory for calls to it. Yeah, I could. I could do that. I mean, it doesn't really matter to me. I'm too lazy to do it anyway. Way too lazy to do it. But, yeah. But we did technically get a working trigger bot, and that is what the stream was about. So I'm going to end the stream here because I am so tired. Even though I slept till like 1 o'clock, I'm so tired. And I am getting picked on. I can't accept this. I'm no longer gonna get picked on. Yeah, I figured that much. I kind of put 2 and 2 together. I don't know. I could write something else, but lazy. I don't know what else to write right now. I know the camera subject thing doesn't work on Phantom Forces. I know it works in, so spectating works in games that allow you to like, modify your camera. I could try to write this in aspect like in here by doing this, but I'd have to set the camera type first, and my dumb butt was writing the camera type after I've already set the camera subject, so it didn't even matter. So you know, I'm stupid, retarded, and lazy. So yeah, what a way to do this. Nonetheless, I gotta go fix crashing issues with Aspect Internal, and I'm too lazy. I'm so tired right now. Also, the overlay for me is no longer working. I don't know why. But it works, and it should work, but it's not. I don't know. Start screen spin. That one's fun. That one's pretty fun to do. It just spins your screen like crazy for no reason. Anyway, thank you for stopping by, guys. I do appreciate anybody who came out and watched the stream and has participated in any way by watching or even participating in chat. Message me on Discord or something, you know, midstream. Helped out. I had a lag switch with a timer for on-off. I would activate Windows if it let me. Hold on, let me see. Activate settings. It literally won't let me activate. See, I get this error, and then I'm like, troubleshoot it. Oh yeah, troubleshoot it. It's probably due to my spoofer, because I spoofed earlier. I was doing spoofer. My Discord is down in the description if you are interested. And yeah, and so if I do this, I just get a big old error. I'm like, "Ree!" So I can't activate Windows. Big sads. Throw up some big Pepe hands for the big sads. But yeah. So once again, anybody who has stopped by, thank you. And if you guys have enjoyed this, I do own a genuine copy. I've purchased 3 genuine copies, and it literally just won't let me. It just won't let me activate. So that's cool. And yeah. So if you guys have enjoyed, please hit the like button to let me know that you guys like this type of stream. I'm not sure if this is the type of stream that I should probably do more often or not. And if you guys think that it's worth seeing updates, you guys should probably hit the subscribe button. And then also hit the bell button, so that way you guys get notified when I start streaming. Because why not? Who doesn't want to know when I'm streaming? Probably a lot of people. Probably a lot of people. I probably should stop adding everybody in the Discord. But yeah. So thank you guys for coming out. Till next time, have a great day.